Hi guys, my name is Johnston and today I'm going to teach you guys how to up your video game. You must be thinking like, what kind of situation do I take videos? So it can be like filming a TikTok, it can be filming your YouTube, it can be filming anything else, like maybe you are doing a speech or you're doing like a project or something else, you just want to make it look more professional. These are a few tips that can help you make your videos better. So as you can see right now, this is just my normal lighting and this is my wardrobe. So I'm just standing here, so like, okay, this can be your very basic setup. So the first thing you want to do is a background. So you can find a very nice background, you can find a very plain background. You just need somewhere to start. My bedroom is so super dirty and messy, I wouldn't want to film my bedroom, so I always go to my cupboard, and this is easier because the light, the sun is shining in this way, so sometimes I'm just using the natural sunlight right now and this is what I get. So for backgrounds, right, I normally buy background sheets like on Taobao or other kinds of websites that on Alibaba or Amazon. So you can always find like background sheets behind. It can be in terms of like, it can be a cloth, it can be like a physical looking background that is a wallpaper, or it can even be like tiles, so it's entirely up to you. I have an example right here. So this is my background sheet and it's super noisy. So this is my background sheet and it's like a light bulb with different bouquets of light. It looks like this. You can see on all my other videos, or be it my TikTok or be it my YouTube videos, you can see that I always have a background because I think that looks more professional. I don't want to be in my messy bedroom, I don't want to show people like how dirty I can actually be. So I do have a nice background at the back, and then I always invest in this because I know that I might do like sponsored videos, I might do like commercials and whatnot, and I think these are better looking and this is okay for me. Plus I am someone that is more picky about aesthetics, so I would really pay the money to find like nicer backgrounds. So I'm gonna bring you guys to my favorite background right now. I've stuck it to my wall. I've used like 3M tapes all around to stuck it in because I think that this is something that I want in the long term. It looks like a living room, it has a sofa, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. So we're gonna move from here to here. So this is my fake living room. I'm just literally just moving to the other side. There you have it. So this is my fake living room. Okay, so this is my background and this is entirely made of paper. So this is not like a real background, okay, but it looks really real and you can really find this almost everywhere. You just need to research, and this costs about maybe 20 to 30 Sing dollars and it's not really expensive. I think that in the long run is great. So you can normally see this background in my TikTok videos, in my YouTube videos as well, and then you know that this is actually my background. The second thing that you want to do is to have lighting. So as you can see right now, right, I have a ring light on. Okay, so without my ring light I'll look like this. So this is how dark it is, and with the natural sunlight this is how it looks like, but with my ring light it looks like this. Okay, so I can adjust it. So it's best if you can adjust your ring light as well. Now ring light is a lot more portable. When I was younger, so yeah, I can adjust the brightness like what you saw just now, and I'm setting it to the lowest. Is this the lowest? This is the highest. This is crazy. Then yes, a comfortable level will be like this. This is your basic light. You need to have a primary light, which is your ring light, and then I can make it from like warm, so I look like I have jaundice, so I look like a Simpson, which I do not like, and I can make it cool. Cool means like blue and more like, you know, yes, you look fairer, and this is the light that I always like to use, so this is what I would do. So the next thing I am gonna teach you guys is called secondary lights. Okay, so secondary lights, right, as you can see in most YouTubers, right, they have this glow behind them that looks so angelic and stuff, and I've been wondering for the longest time how did they do this. So I bought two examples. This is a blue LED light, so you can put it at the back of your body, or you can put it like behind your background, and also you can have a pink LED light. So you can buy the colors according to you, and also you can also choose multicolor light bulbs, or you can buy LED strips like most TikTokers do. I recently just invested in these two babies and I think that they are awesome because depending on how they are placed, I can actually make different moods, as you can see right now. Also it helps because they can bring a different element. It feels more high fashion, studio-ish with this kind of colors, and I think that I can make a lot of different kinds of video with this. So let me just choose the blue one. So what I'll do is put the blue LED against my background and I'll sit in front of it. So there you have it. So if I made it thus far, I hope you guys can give a like and give a comment on what you like the most, and I'll move on to the next step. So the next step is using a good camera. So I know that you guys may not have the finance to start off with a good camera, and that can be really frustrating because when I first started out, I just used a really like cheap camera, maybe like $100 to $200. Actually, you will upgrade your craft as you continue. So starting with a slightly cheaper camera is fine. As you can see from my previous videos, I was using this Sony, I can't remember what, and it was only like $100. Actually the quality is decent. So the current camera that I'm using is the Canon G7xii. So this is like the, you know, to go for if you are a vlogger, if you are a YouTuber. And I think the quality is great. Also, one thing that I just noticed recently is that I can actually record at 50p, and this is something that I didn't know. I only like know it recently, and if you realize that my quality of my videos recently has improved because of that jump, it means that they have more details in it, like there's more colors, there's more details captured in it. You can even see my wrinkles, you can even see my discoloration of my skin. That's great, I guess, but it gives more details and it gives you like the more professional look, and this is why I go to this camera. I remember buying this about 2 years ago. It was about $100. I'm not so sure how much it is right now. I know that the cost of the camera doesn't change a lot. Maybe it will just drop about $100 to $50. They have just launched a new Canon Mark G7xii, so I think that the price of G7X2 might be lower. If you are interested, or if you have a tighter budget, you can go towards that and you can produce quality videos like this. So the last thing that I want to introduce to you guys is a wireless earphone. So this is a wireless earphone from Sudio, and I really love them a lot. So this is how it looks like. I've gotten them in black, and then these are really amazing earphones. I'm a very like old school person, and I use like only Apple kind of earphone because it snugs into my ear perfectly. But I really like Studio's because they give a variety of sizes for earbud. Also, they have active noise cancelling, wireless charging, they have 4 extra chargers with the case, and also it's waterproof, and this is amazing. So when I do TikTok videos, I do use them. If you need to listen to songs, you definitely wouldn't want to blast it out, and that would be really awkward. So I think it's better to use a wireless earphone so that you can plug on them. And also these are really great earphones because you can exercise with them. So for TikTok videos, I would really like to use this. So you see a lot of TikTokers using wireless earphones because it's a lot easier when you dance and you do not like tangle up in these earphones. Therefore, I think that this is a really good decision. So you must be thinking that Sudio Ett is really expensive and I can't afford it, so why am I gonna use that? Fret not, here comes a giveaway. I have a Sudio Ett for giveaway. Okay, so here is a Sudio Ett in green. This will help you achieve that TikTok video that you really want to. All you have to do is comment down below which one is your favorite tip and why, and then I'll choose a winner within like 1 week or 2. So details of this giveaway will be in the description box down below. So do start commenting and I hope you will be the lucky winner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do give me a like, it's free. And also subscribe to me if you have not. Comment down below what other tips that you guys want to learn from me, and I can tell you guys how filming is like, or how like video taking is like, and then you can start maybe on your YouTube journey or your TikTok journey. See you guys next time. Bye! Effect is like, okay, so oh my goodness, it's raining right now and I feel like sleeping.